whenever it comes to public speech, it evokes fear. At the same time, when it is for the first time, it creates a kind of nervousness, fear, anxiety, and at the end, we don't go to make the first public speech, and perhaps the day never comes when we are going to make the first speech. And perhaps because of the bad experience of getting into the stage and make the first speech, and maybe because of the anxiety and nervousness, we are not able to make the speech. Sometimes we are forgetful of what we have already thought of making before the audience. We never go to that place. So how to overcome that fear? How to get rid of all those nervousness and anxiety? I will give you an important tips, a fundamental tips that you can use to get rid of the fear speaking in the public. Yes, this is true that it's most scary situations, and most of the public speakers at the beginning of their speaking at the stage, they have faced all these problems, they have encountered all these difficulties, but through practice they have done that. But how can have it at the first public speaking before a great number of audience? This is the most important thing. Just listen to me carefully. This is the tips that you need to follow. So when you are asked to make a public speech, you must make certain points. You are clear about the objectives. But the important point here is how to get rid of that fear, the stage fear. When you go to the stage to stand before the podium to make your speech for the first time before the public, what you need to do: first, enter into the stage, then stand there, then just move forward, then backward, then be in the middle and have the greetings. If it's in the morning, you can say good morning, or in the afternoon you can say good afternoon. So according to the durations, according to the time frame of that particular day, you can say good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and you can mention the topic twice. Like today we are going to discuss the topic. This topic is quite important. So when you have all these things during that time, you will have certain amount of your anxiety, nervousness and fear reduced. You must have made your eye contact with the public during that time, and try to have that also. So when you have all these qualities, you can get rid of that nervousness. You can find it easy to have your memory refreshed, to have all the points, informations that you have gathered to your front, and you can speak confidently. So just follow these tips. These tips, this is a step-by-step approach. Just follow this and you can achieve success. This is for the this is meant for the persons or for those who want to speak in the public for the first time.